Hello, dear listeners. In this video review, we will explore the detailed menu of the ADL-MS32 vibration analyzer. To begin, let's power on the ADL-MS32 device. On the screen, the main menu is displayed. We select the vibration option and confirm it by pressing the button. On the screen, we see the following modes: vibration, vibration velocity, vibration displacement, envelope analysis diagnostics, alignment to ISO 10816 standards. By pressing the button on the device, we access the menu for configuring the vibration mode. In the mode settings, we can adjust the frequency range from 1 to 10,000 Hz. Select the number of lines in the spectrum from 400 to 1600. Choose between a free trigger or a carrier frequency trigger. Set the number of averages from 1 to 128. And also modify the display mode. When pressing the F1 button, you will enter an additional menu where you can enable or disable the Fourier transformation filter, as well as access the option to enable or disable root attachment. To exit this submenu, simply press the button again. By pressing the button on the device, we enter the menu for configuring the vibration speed mode. In the mode settings, we can adjust the frequency range, select the number of lines in the spectrum, choose between a free trigger or a carrier frequency trigger, set the number of averages, and also modify the display mode. By pressing the button on the device, we access the menu for configuring the vibration displacement mode. In the mode settings, we can adjust the frequency range, select the number of lines in the spectrum, choose between a free trigger or a carrier frequency trigger, set the number of averages, and also modify the display mode. Pressing the device button takes us to the envelope diagnostics mode settings menu. The parameters in this menu are the same. By pressing the button on the device, we enter the menu for configuring the ISO 10816 compliant mode. In this menu, you can select the equipment class. It is also possible to select the number of lines in the spectrum and the number of averagings. In the mode settings, you cannot change the frequency range. We return to the main menu by pressing the back button. We start the measurement mode. We see that the device took a measurement on the first support. We stop measurements and save the result, selecting the appropriate folder. The device saves 2 files. Next, we move the sensor to support number 2. We conduct a measurement, and as we can see, the vibration on the second support is lower. We stop measurements and save the result, selecting the appropriate folder. The device saves 2 files. Next, we select the tachometer option and confirm it by pressing the button. To operate this mode, you need to connect an optical sensor. Afterward, press the input button, and it will start the revolutions per minute measurement mode. The instrument's display shows measurements in revolutions per minute and rotation frequency. We select the settings option by pressing the button. The following sub-menus are available on the screen. Setting the date and time of the device. Sensors. In this menu, you can choose either the first or second sensor, the sensor type, the serial number, the unit of measurement for each sensor, and the gain coefficient where you need to set the sensor value. To save the settings, confirm them, and exit the menu. Next, there is the Unit of Measurement menu, where you can set the units for vibration acceleration, vibration velocity, and vibration displacement. You can also choose between measurements in imperial or metric units. There is also a device auto-off mode available. Selecting the device language: English, Russian, French. Brightness adjustment for the device is available in 3 modes. Mode for enabling the signal for headphones, for listening to noise in bearings. We exit the menu and select the Documents option by pressing the button. In this section, measurements conducted with the device are stored. Next, we select the Balancing mode by confirming it with the button. In this mode, you can save the report, set the rotation speed, choose the number of balancing planes, up to 4 correction planes, the number of control points, up to 8 control points. Balancing can be performed by adding or removing mass. The number of blades for balancing, such as fans, in this device is available up to 18. The balancing data is taken from the vibration sensor. Next, we launch the balancing mode. Additionally, the device reminds you to install the vibration sensor. The ADL-MS32 device is a reliable assistant for measuring vibration monitoring, and equipment balancing. Thank you for your attention.